Vectra presents Heman 175. Heman 175 is a skid steer loader, brought to you by Vectra Advanced Engineering Private Limited, a part of Indian multinational diversified Vectra Group, having state-of-art manufacturing facility at Greater Noida, the industrial hub of NCR. Heman 175 is an engineering wonder designed for industrial and earth-moving tasks. Agriculture, construction, landscaping, quarry and mining, forestry, or any other specialized tasks, like municipal solid waste handling and drain cleaning, using a variety of suitable attachments, being developed and manufactured in-house by the VAEPL. Heman 175 is the absolute solution, absolutely unmatched in its class, is a compact, powerful, and lower maintenance costs. A multi-purpose machine, which comes with a number of attachments. This enables the machine to handle a variety of side jobs. Backhoe is intended for digging trenches and ditches. An answer to all your needs when it comes to maintaining, cleaning of narrow drains and canals. Small enough and versatile as well, can be used with 1, 1.5, and 2 feet width buckets. Combination bucket. It is a 6-in-1 bucket that can be used for leveling, dozing, digging, grappling, loading, and dumping. This makes it a perfect multi-purpose attachment and can also be utilized for municipal solid waste for handling garbage. Pallet fork is used to transport objects and materials. It becomes indispensable and industrial setup for shifting objects from one place to another. Industrial grappler. Perform major tasks to handle variety of loose scraps. It displaces junk with ease and efficiently. You may call it a multi-purpose grappler, as well as it allows you to handle variety of jobs. Hydraulic rock breaker. In Heman 175 is extremely compact and powerful. It breaks rocks into small pieces. Sweeper collector is metal scrap and remove fill mud of roads. It is extremely easy to attach and simple to operate. Heman 175 is truly a multifunctional machine that adds value and generate high profits. Heman 175 has perfect geometry. The design of Heman 175 helps to move quickly and efficiently in confined areas. Its small height allows to place easily to lower heights, hence gaining popularity with various special task forces and paramilitary for rescue operations during any natural disasters or man-created calamities. Engineers of Heman 175 have placed engine in hydraulic system and easy access. This helps in the maintenance and upkeep of the machine. Heman 175 comes with the standard quick-hits mechanism. It takes less than 3 minutes to change the attachments and can be done single-handedly. Heman 175 is designed to ensure operator safety. The high-tensile steel cabin protect from rolling and falling objects. First ever indigenously manufactured machine. Vectra Heman 175 maximizes its productivity. Heman 175, the one-man army. The one-man army to clean and construct a nation.